All right, here we go. We're trying to append information, for data I should say, from a text file into a list, but as we're appending that information, we are ending up with a new line break at the end of each individual piece of data. Looking at a file very similar to this, bunch of new lines, and those new lines are being translated into that list. How do we get rid of it? Very simple. As you're iterating through that text file and you're appending that data to the list, what you're going to do here in this case, since it's on this side, the right side, we are going to right strip as we iterate through as such. And we're going to hit enter here and watch what happens. All right, you see that line break is taken off at the end of each piece of data. Again, that's right stripping off to the right. Hope this information helps. I'll put the code online. Ralph Turchiano signing off, and I'll catch you guys and gals in a bit. See you later on. Bye.